Hi everybody, I wanted to show you a hummingbird nest. So right here, it's a hummingbird nest. Here's a nest made out of branches and other natural products. There's the baby right there. His beak, can you see him? Okay, so zoom in. That's his beak right there. Wait for his mommy to come home. So let me tell you guys, don't ever touch the nest, because if you touch the nest, the mother will not come back to the babies. Do not touch the nest, okay? Leave the baby here. You know, it's nature. Oh, look, a butterfly. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The butterfly almost got me. That means the butterfly represents manifestation, transformation, a new change in life. You know, be happy, stay positive. Things get tough, but everything will be great. Like this little bird, he'll grow one day and be strong and happy and free. Woo!